AI is not replacing people. People are replacing themselves by making one single mistake. And most people don't even know they're making it. Every week, you hear the same dire warnings: AI will replace millions of jobs. But here's the truth that nobody really explains: AI doesn't just replace people who learn it. It replaces people who choose to ignore it. The danger isn't the technology itself, it's the inaction. Right now, as we speak, a single person using AI tools can accomplish the work of 3, 4, or even 5 people. This isn't because they are inherently smarter or more talented. It's because they've learned how to amplify their own abilities with AI. Think about it from a business perspective. Companies aren't choosing AI over humans. They are choosing humans who use AI over humans who don't. It's a simple equation of efficiency and value. So, what is this one dangerous mistake that could cost you your career? Waiting. It's the thought that says, "I'll learn it later." It's the belief that your specific industry is somehow safe or immune. It's pretending that this massive technological shift won't affect your job. Later is the single biggest career trap of this decade. Procrastination has never been more costly. The world is changing at a speed our education system never prepared us for. The entire job market is transforming right under our feet. Skills that were valuable just a few years ago are becoming obsolete, while new ones are in high demand. And the only question that truly matters right now is this: will you evolve with this change, or will you be replaced by someone who does? The choice is entirely yours. To stay relevant and thrive in this new AI era, you don't need a computer science degree. You just need to focus on 3 fundamental skills. First, learn the tools. Get your hands on ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Midjourney. You don't have to become an expert overnight. Just start. 10 minutes a day is more than enough to build momentum and understanding. Second, learn to ask better questions. AI is a powerful amplifier, but it's only as brilliant as the quality of your thinking and the prompts you give it. Your ability to ask insightful, strategic questions is what will set you apart. And third, combine your unique human creativity with AI's processing power. Humans working with AI will always outperform humans working alone, and they will always outperform AI working alone. This synergy is your competitive advantage. See it as a partner, a co-pilot that can handle the tedious work, allowing you to focus on what humans do best: strategy, creativity, and emotional intelligence. The people who are learning these skills right now are the ones who will lead the future. They will be the innovators, the problem solvers, and the decision makers. The people who delay will be left chasing that future, always one step behind. And the future doesn't wait for anyone. Remember this: AI won't replace you. But a human who understands and leverages AI definitely will. Don't let that person be someone else. Start today. Your future self will thank you for it. Subscribe for more powerful insights that prepare you for tomorrow.